Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your Dell UltraSharp U27 monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to set your refresh rate to the highest number possible on your display setting for Windows. This makes our display a lot smoother, so you want to make sure to go ahead and check that out. Right after, you then want to access the Dell's OSD controls. Most likely it's going to be a button below or behind the monitor itself, which can look something like this. Right after, let's apply the following setting. Now, the best overall setting for preset mode, you want to use standard or sRGB for color critical work. Brightness is going to be 25 or 35 for dark room and 40 to 60 on bright rooms, but of course you want to adjust this according to the room lighting. Contrast is going to be 75, sharpness 50, color temperature 6500K, and gamma is 2.2. Now for color space or for the overall color accuracy, you want to use sRGB for photo editing and web content. The input color format is going to be RGB, and the uniformity compensation is going to be off. Basically, the monitor is good enough, so we don't need to calibrate the colors for our Dell UltraSharp monitor right here. Now for the best office and productivity setting, resolution is going to be set to 4K. The window scaling inside the display setting for Windows is going to be at 150%. Comfort view is going to be off. And that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.